The Liniar colour range is designed to help you find your perfect match. Whether that's windows, doors, a conservatory, fascias and soffits, or even decking and fencing, beautifully foiled finishes are an innovative way to ensure your home gets exactly what you dream of. And with Liniar, you're assured of the best in British manufacturing. Foils can change the appearance of your windows and doors completely, and with one of the biggest selections of foil colours in the UK, Liniar leads the way. Our in-house lamination department uses the latest high-tech machinery to apply foil finishes to both PVCu and aluminium profiles, guaranteeing a pristine finish. With 36 stocked foils across 5 substrate colours and hundreds more colour options available on longer lead times, there is something for every home. Liniar customers can even choose a different colour on the outside and inside of their frames for the ultimate in flexibility. With Liniar, there is a whole world of colour waiting for you. Choose your perfect colour at www.liniar.co.uk/colours.